FuelPhase Fuel Saver is being promoted as a plug-in device that improves fuel efficiency, boosts engine performance, and saves you money on gas. But the real question is whether it actually works, or if it's just another overhyped car gadget. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Modern cars use engine control units, ECUs, that manage fuel and performance. However, here's the key point. A simple plug-in device like FuelPhase cannot meaningfully change how your engine uses fuel. There are some surface positives. The device claims to optimize fuel injection, reduce fuel consumption, improve throttle response. But these claims are not backed by credible automotive evidence. That said, there are major red flags. First, unrealistic promises. Claims of significant fuel savings just by plugging into your car's port are widely considered misleading in the automotive world. Second, no real technical proof. There are no verified test certifications or engineering data showing actual fuel savings. Third, common scam pattern. Similar fuel saver devices have existed for years and are often rebranded under different names, sold with identical marketing pages, proven to have little to no real effect. Fourth, placebo effect. Any perceived improvement is often due to changes in driving habits, not the device itself. Experts consistently point out that real fuel efficiency improvements come from proper maintenance, tire pressure, driving style, engine tuning, done professionally, not via plug-in gadgets. So, does FuelPhase actually save gas money? No, not in any proven or meaningful way. The bottom line is this. FuelPhase Fuel Saver is likely a non-functional or minimally functional device marketed with exaggerated claims. It won't significantly reduce fuel consumption, and it's not a substitute for real vehicle maintenance or driving habits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.